Alright guys, so welcome back to DIY AGRIC, your number one animal scientist and your poultry success partner. If you have been following with this set of birds that we have, these are the same birds that I brought in on day 18, that's November 18, and the target was to get them ready by say 27th or 28th of December. And guess what, we are there already and we have what we need. You know, having up to 3 kg in just 5 weeks plus is a lot of accomplishment, and it doesn't just come anyhow. So we're actually marking the birds for slaughter. You can see my girl doing the marking. We are marking them for slaughter, and you also can get this kind of result. It doesn't have to be hard. It doesn't have to be 1.8 kg at 5 weeks all the time. You also can upgrade. And let me remind you, these birds are organic chickens. I mean, they are organic. We didn't use any antibiotics in raising them. You can see how they look. Look at the breast, see how big it is. We didn't use any antibiotics to raise them. And as one may think, 5 weeks plus birds, how would they be looking this big? Some people would think, okay, they are loaded with lots of fat already. But guess what? I'm going to be showing you right now in the video of how we are processing them. You will see that it's actually without fat. There's no fat. Even though you see their butt, it looks like it's coming out and it looks like it's going to be loaded with lots of fat. There's no fat there. I'm going to show you everything right now. So I just hope I'm able to publish this video in the evening, because I'm actually making this part of the recording on 29th. I've done the processing on 28th, so I'm making this part of the video on 29th, and I'm even preparing to go out. It's so busy right here. This is the time that you have to spend with family, and you know, trying to put everything together is not so easy. So I wish and I hope that I'm able to edit this video and push it out this evening. But for those of you who want to be taking advantage of the organic course, my organic poultry course, I'm actually doing this end of year promo, so you can take it for just 5,000 naira. You're going to be having access to 3 of my books: the complete guide to organic poultry farming, the beginner's guide to successful broiler farming, and my master talking manual. These 3 books on their own, it's about 8,500 naira, but I'm going to be giving you all of them for free. I do have a strong feeling that a lot of you are yet to hit that subscribe button. Yes, you do watch my videos and you like them, but you don't click the like button. Yes, but right now I want you to hit the subscribe button, hit that notification bell, so you get notified when I post new videos that you really want to watch. And then for this video, hit that like button. Yes, just right now, hit the like button. Yes, thank you. Just pay 5,000 naira for the course. The course used to be a 10 days training, and I've crashed it into a course so that you all can take it at your convenient time. It doesn't have to be 7 p.m. every day, you know. Just pay a token of 5,000 naira and you have access to the full course with all the ebooks, with the demonstration videos and all that. So it's so loaded. You also will be able to raise something like this, and organically. That's the fun of it. Organically, with herbs and spices. Let me get this bed for you. Yeah, take a look at this. Lots of meat. Yeah, lots of meat. And to know that they are healthy and doing well without lots of fat, man, this is really cool. So you don't want to miss out on this opportunity. Unless I forget, the fee for this course after now will be anything from 10,000 naira upwards. So you really want to take advantage of it now that it is just 5,000 naira with all the benefits. And the course platform, hey, shut up. And the course platform is a place where even anything that I had later, you still get to have access to all of it. So it's just so good. It's just so good. And in the coming year, I'll actually be adding a lot of other things to the platform so that you can get even more benefits. So I'll be leaving my WhatsApp number right here on the screen, so you can chat me up on WhatsApp. Trust me, I prefer WhatsApp messages. I prefer it to calls, because I get a lot of calls from now and then, and sometimes I'm even tired. I don't want to pick calls. So it may be the time that you want to call that I don't want to pick calls. So just try and send me a WhatsApp message and make it detailed. Tell me, okay, you want to attend the course, blah 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 blah, and I'll send you the course curriculum. You have access to the course curriculum, and you can make your payments. Apart from that, I'll also be leaving the link to where you can just make the payment directly, in case you don't even want to go through asking me questions about the course and checking the curriculum. In case, or maybe I'll just leave the curriculum in the description below too, so you can check it. So I'll leave a link to where you can make a direct payment in the description. So once you make the payment, you'll just be added to the course platform. So that's it. And and as an added value, I'll leave you to watch the process of processing the chickens. The process of processing the chickens. Yeah, I'll leave you to watch it from marking them to taking them out, keeping them in the cage, in the holding cage, and making sure that they are fine, adding water on their body so that you cool them down, then putting them in the kill cone. Come on, putting them in the kill cone, slaughtering them, scalding, defeathering, eviscerating, and they are all loaded in the freezer now. But I'm gonna be leaving you with the video of the entire processing, and this is one of the things you want to take advantage of if you are doing broiler farming. If you have the opportunity to include processing as part of the things that you want to do in the value chain, it is a big win for you, because you get more profit. I'll leave you to watch that now. And for those who want to take part in the training, it's just between 29 and 31st that is going to be 5,000. After that, the price I don't even know for now, but it can be 10,000 naira or more than that. So that's it for now. And please make sure you subscribe to the channel, because apart from the training, apart from the course, there are lots of videos that I'm pushing out from time to time that you can enjoy. A lot of people have learned a lot from just my videos. Some people will call me or send me messages and say, oh, I've just been watching your videos, and guess what, my brother farming this time, this new batch that I got after watching all your videos, they are really good. I really did better. And some people who are just starting out, they'll say, it's because of your videos. Your videos have really helped me to know the right feed to use, to choose the right breed and all that. So there is a lot for you to learn. Just make sure you subscribe to the channel, and if you like the content, just give us a thumbs up so that we get the video out to a lot of other people. All right, so until the next time, peace.